friend Joe. No, my friend Joe here. I just found out we're the #1 business school in the nation. We're the #1. Yeah, I just found out today. We're ahead of UPenn. We're ahead of University of Virginia.
We're ahead of MIT.
We're the #1 business school in the nation as of now. Yeah, Mendoza College of Business. I mean, at least they did that right, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I'd rather go to California too. I mean, the chicks are at least 4 times hotter. Yeah, USC spanks our ass in football every year.
That was BK, 5 a.m. practices.
Yeah, it's not a bad place to go to school. But yeah, at least, look on the bright side, at least I'll be there for U.S. versus Egypt, right? Turkey, that's right, Turkey, same difference. Sorry, Paul. Those fucking Arabs, who gives a shit, right? Our country is a big sweet land of liberty of the saying. You get. Alright. That's right. We're set. We're set. We're set. That's gonna be at the link, right? John Mayer. Who gets? Can we all
Ray LaMontagne
drunks for that? Oh wow. Oh, that'll be fun. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. That'll be a lot of fun.